So it's pretty easy to put together. I just had to screw this handle on right here and screw this handle on. We're going to be making this Thai dish. What's this called? What's this called?
ไก่ต้มน้ำปลา
Gai tom nam la. It's a Thai dish. Gai tom nam la. But this is going to increase or decrease the cook time and increase the tenderness of the chicken. And we're just going to put this on just like that. And it's going to have a feature that once this gains some pressure, this guy right here is going to pop up and it won't let you open this again until that pressure is released. So I'm going to show the finished product. So we can't open this right now because of the pressure on here. So what we're going to do is smells good. Now that pressure is released, you can see this little tab just fell and we can open it.